Hi everyone, my name is NicoleStrofe. I received my BSW degree from Newman University located in Aston, Pennsylvania. During my undergrad, I completed one internship the whole year. I completed my internship at Delaware County Children and Youth Services in the adoption unit as a caseworker. I currently work at Delaware County Children and Youth Services, but in the ongoing unit. The acronym is SCO. It's Services for Children in Their Own Home. I absolutely love working in SCO. I love working at CYS. The most meaningful takeaway from my prior field placement was having the ability to know what unit I wanted to go in as a permanent employee. I was in the adoption unit as an intern, and I figured out that I did not want to stay in the adoption unit. I was able then to go out with caseworkers from the intake department, and I knew I did not want to do that either. I also went out with caseworkers in the placement department, and then I finally was able to have a chance to go out with a caseworker in the SCO department, and I loved what they do. I love that they are in the home either weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. I love the close relationship that the caseworker was building with their clients. So I am currently working in the SCO department as a caseworker, and I've been there for 3 years now. I'm looking forward to this class and meeting you all, and I hope everyone has a good night.